I am a first-generation student. With my parents' sacrifices and my dreams, I was able to find something that I'm passionate for. I discovered the career of medical laboratory scientist. I really love the fact that we're able to tell so much about someone by simple testing, and being able to be part of their healthcare or their treatment behind the scenes is very meaningful as well. All my professors were really, really helpful. Taking these sorts of classes can be intimidating because it's a lot of information being thrown at you, and having them being there teaching you with such calmness is honestly made the process very easy. I actually got an email from my advisor saying that there's an opening at Versity for a student position, and they focus on testing blood products. So I applied for the job. I luckily got it. Of course, it's transfusion services, so I was introduced to that department first. Honestly, I fell in love with it right there because it's like solving a puzzle. Honestly, I've had a beautiful experience here as a student. I was able to shape who I am as a person, but also as a professional.
Yudith Hernandez Ruiz.
So I did get an offer at Wisconsin Diagnostic Laboratories. I will be a scientist in the transfusion service department. It gives me a lot of pride and joy being able to represent my people in science.